Morning, it's Craig from Kabooyaa. How are you going? I just wanted to talk a little bit about a great feature that is inside Kabooyaa, and it's voicemail follow-ups. It's an extremely underrated tool inside of Kabooyaa. Now, the statistics show that 83% or more of initial calls go straight to voicemail, and I know I experienced that, with cold lead or with warm lead, even warm leads coming in. They come into the system. You pick up the phone, you call them, and they just don't answer. You always end up in voicemail. So I came across a little an idea to actually create a voicemail first off to eliminate that workload and automate the process. So here's what I've done. Let me just show you. So I've created a workflow called New Lead First Contact Voicemail. So if we open that up, I'll go through the process of what I've done. Currently, we have just a test tag in here, but you would set it up with a proper tag. So the first thing I've done when the person comes in, I've assigned it to a user. So assigned to user, and I've tagged me. I've also made it only apply to unassigned contacts. So if somebody coming in has already come through and they're assigned to somebody else, I've decided that I'm going to leave them assigned to that person, and that's coming through down here with notifications. It'll come into play later on. So we've done that. The next thing that I've done is we've created a new voice contact voicemail. So it's a voicemail, and if you're looking for it, we'll just go through here. You click here and go voicemail. There you go. Pull that in. You upload a file. Okay. So let's talk about that. I'm going to get rid of this for a second, but you basically upload an MP3 file, which is here, as you can see it. This is one I recorded earlier. I'll just play it for you. What I'll do, I'll turn the volume up a little bit. No, I won't. I'll take it off headphones so you can hear it. That's what I'll do. We'll go back to the start. Hi, this is Craig from Solar Run Illawarra. I just wanted to quickly reach out and personally thank you for contacting us. Solar Run Illawarra is a local family company. We pride ourselves on quality and service where you deal directly with the owner. It would be great to see how we can best assist you with your power saving needs. Just reply back to the SMS I'm about to send you with a yes, and I'll be in touch with you shortly. So what I did was I recorded it on an online platform called Vocaro.com. If you go there, you can basically just press the go button and it will record. But what I did was I created a script before I did it. So I planned out what I was going to say. And this is, hi, this is Craig from Solar Run Illawarra. Just wanted to quickly reach out and personally thank you for contacting us. Solar Run Illawarra is a local family company, and we pride ourselves on quality and service where you deal directly with the owner. It would be great to see how we can best assist you with your power saving needs. Just reply back to the SMS, and I'm about to send you with a yes, and I'll be in touch with you shortly. Okay, so once I recorded that, I then downloaded it here, and you download it as an MP3 file. Okay, so once I've done that, I then upload it, and it stores here, and I save the action. Okay, so then the next thing we're going to do, we're going to set up a wait 5 minutes, because the reason is that what I found was when I tested before, if I set this up for a minute, typically this SMS would end up in their inbox before the voicemail did, which is not really that cool. So I thought if I wait 5 minutes, we'll give this a bit of time to get to the participant. So we wait 5 minutes with a time delay, and then we set up the SMS. So what I did was SMS, hi, first name, and to do that you go to custom values, and you go contact and first name, and it populates that field in there. Craig here from Solar Run. I tried to get in touch with you just now, left a voice message. Simply reply back yes to this SMS so we can see how we can help you save on your power bills. Okay, so that goes out again. Then we wait 5 minutes. Now, this is a contact reply. So we need to do a search here for reply. Wait. We're going to do wait. And here it says time delay. We're choosing contact reply. Now, contact replied, we're going to choose SMS as the step. Done that. And let me just double check. And we're going to have, no, we're not going to do that. We'll cancel that. I'll just go back to what I did here. So SMS timed, yes, I timed for 5 minutes. Okay, timed out for 5 minutes, and we save that action. Then we have a condition. So this condition, we'll do this one as well. It's a if now. So basically what we do is we go here, cancel that. If else, and the branch is we want to contact replied to message is, or no, not is, contains the word yes, because that's what we've asked them to do, and then we save that action. So this is this condition here. So message replied contains the word yes. Okay, so that gives us that. Now, if we don't get a reply back within the 5 minutes, then we want to add a manual follow-up call. So here we search for manual follow-up, and then manual follow-up call, and the person assigned will get that notification in the system. Okay. Now, if they've said yes, we add a task, and the task is give this person a call because they're hot, and in the description, person responded to new lead voice message, and we can contact assigned user and due now. So we go save, and then because we've added a user up here, we know who is going to get that, and then we'll set up an internal notification. So you do a search for notification, we choose SMS, the user is the assigned user, and then this new hot lead respond to voicemail SMS with their contact name and phone number. So that would be sent out to, in my case, me. So that is how it works. Now I'm just going to save that, and we're going to publish it. Now, as I said, I've set this up as a contact tag, test tag at the top, and I've got myself as a user. So I've set myself up here. What I'm going to do is just add a tag here, test, add that tag, and then I'm going to save it. And then by rights, what should happen is we should be able to refresh this, and the voice message will be sent out. Let's see how we go. Internet's a bit slow. Here we go. Conversations. And there it is. There's the text message. It's already been sent to me.
Hi, this is Craig from Solar Run Illawarra. I just wanted to quickly reach out.
Great, so that's the first process. So I should have a text message coming through shortly on my phone. What have we got here? Let's see. What's the time? 6:22. So that should come through this number soon. It takes a little while for the SMS to come through when it's got a voicemail on it, hence why I did that 5-minute time. But this process has started. Now if we go into history, and have a look here, and the new lead contact voicemail was sent to me at this time. I was added to the workflow, assigned to Craig as the user. So if we go back here, yep, it's assigned to me, so that's happened already. So that'll be tagged in my contacts. New lead voicemail has been sent, and now I'm sitting in the wait position, which is the action here, if we come here I am. That I'm sitting in the wait. Now the SMS will go out in 5 minutes, and then this process will go through. So currently I've got this set up here, but you would probably have this set up as maybe one of your initial first add this sequence to the process. Or what you could do at this point here is add to a workflow. So once they've come through this workflow, whether it's here or here, you can add them to your normal workflow. So this might be new lead from somewhere, or Facebook inquiry, or clicked on your form on your website, requested a quote, all those sort of things. So you can have multiple triggers here, and this could possibly be the very first contact point. Then after they've done this process, you can add them to a workflow. Add to workflow. So here's what we do. We go to workflow, and we can choose that workflow. And the workflow I would probably use here would be, let's have a look. Okay, so this one here is my main lead that comes in, so we'd add them to that. Now, this then follows through with, puts them into other workflows and so forth. So this is my main incoming for cold leads from Facebook or anywhere else. So we could add that to that. We would probably should tag it, add to workflow, Facebook lead incoming. By doing that, we know then what's happening down here. So if we save it, it's adding them to that workflow. So this is pretty cool. You can do the same thing here. You can just, if nothing's come back, you could also probably put them here. So what we would do is just copy action to here. So we've added it to there as well before the follow-up phone call. And we hit save. So now if we make this our initial incoming funnel for everything, and then from here then they'll capture this voicemail, they'll get the SMS to say, hey, give us a call back, or reply back yes. We're notified that they're hot and heavy, or they're not hot and heavy, and we've added them into our next workflow. So that's pretty cool. Hopefully this helps. And this is an amazing tool to cut down on your workload for your cold calling your emails, and just keep getting voice messages all the time and not getting through. So this should reduce your workload immensely. Hopefully that helps. Have a good day.